have the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and I'll be showing you how to check available storage space. So this is very simple. All you have to do is go into settings. Under settings, scroll down all the way down to device care. Tap on that, and here you should see options for battery and storage. So just tap on storage and you'll be able to see exactly what's going on in your storage. So we have a maximum of 32 gigs. We have used 12 gigs, that is my files, apps, and the operating system. And you can even see a breakdown of what each item occupies. So we have apps 1.24 gigs, we have watch faces and things like that. You can actually manage this better on the phone, but you can actually see how much storage space. So we have 32 minus 12, which is about 20 gigs of free storage space that we can use. So that's basically how to check storage space on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.